Assalamu alaikum kids, welcome to Scholars Academy online classroom. So kids, this is your second online maths class with Miss Sana Muzammil. Now kids, take out your maths book, Elite Series Step 2. Now open page number 3. We are going to learn number 3. Now kids, in a picture, there is a board. It says count aloud and write the number with picture. So count number 3 loudly and trace it. Now in the picture there are cows. Now count the cows with me loudly. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cows. How many cows? 3 cows. So you have to write 3 in the circle and you have to trace it on the rest of the page and also mention date. Kids, open page number 4. On page number 4, we are going to learn number 4. So kids, you have to count aloud and write the number with picture. So kids, count number 4 loudly and trace it. Now in the picture, there are sheeps. Now count the sheeps with me loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sheeps. How many sheeps? 4 sheeps. Now write 4 in a given circle and trace 4 on the rest of the page and also mention date. Okay kids, on page number 5, we are going to learn number 5. So kids, you have to count aloud and write the number with picture. So kids, you have to count number 5 and trace it. Now in the picture, we have zebras. Now count the zebras loudly with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 zebras. How many zebras? 5 zebras. So you have to write 5 in the given circle and trace 5 on the rest of the page and also mention date. Okay kids, now on page number 6, we have beads. So we are going to count them and trace the number. Okay, in first row we have 1 bead. So you have to trace 1 in the boxes. Okay, now in the second row we have 2 beads. 1, 2. So trace number 2 in the boxes. Okay, now in third row there are 3 beads. Now count the beads. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 beads. So you have to write 3 in the boxes. Now in fourth row there are 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 4 in the boxes. Now in fifth row there are 5 beads. Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 beads, so you have to write 5 in the boxes. Mention date also. Now kids, open page number 7. There is an assessment. So firstly, you have to mention date correctly. Now kids, in this picture, we are going to count animals and then write the number in given circles. Now start counting with me. In this picture, how many elephants are there? There are 1 elephant. So you have to write 1 in the circle. Now how many goats are there? 1, 2. There are 2 goats in the picture. So you have to write 2 in the circle. Now how many cows are there in picture? Now count with me. 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3 in a circle. Now how many sheep are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sheep. So write 4 in the circle. Now how many zebras are there in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 zebras. So you have to write 5 in the circle. Now kids, open page number 8. There is another assessment. We are going to match the shape with its name and then we will match it with the similar picture. Okay, so first shape we have round shape. So we are going to match it with circle, and then we will match it with the clock because it is also round. Now second shape is slender. Match it with a slender, and then you have to match it with this cell because they are similar. Okay kids, now the third shape is square. Okay, so kids, square, you have to match it with its name. Square, it has four sides, and then you have to match it with bread because they are similar. And then we have oval, match it with its name oval, and then you have to match it with egg because they are both same. Okay, now there is a rectangle. You have to match it with its name, rectangle, and then you have to match it with the board because they are also similar. And then we have a triangle. You have to match triangle with its name, and then match it with mountain because they are same in shape. Okay kids, now on page number 9 there is a concept. In this picture there are two mouse and they are holding cheese. So now you have to tick that mouse which have heavy cheese. So the mouse which have heavy cheese is on the right side. So you have to tick that one. Now in the next picture there are two childs. You have to cross the child which having the light object. So the child on left side have light object. So cross that one. So kids, you have to mention date correctly, and this is your home assignment also. And see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Take care.